October 19th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Use the distributive property to write two equivalent expressions for the following problem. All right, here we go. We're going to do two equivalent expressions. So I'm going to highlight this word two here because we need two equivalent expressions. An expression, remember, has either addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any kind of sign except for an equal sign, so no equal sign. All right, so, we know how to do this. So we're also going to use the distributive property. So when we use, we can italicize it. When we use the distributive property, remember the distributive property has these arrows. So first we're going to circle the number in front of the parentheses. Well, the 4 is in front of the parentheses. Perfect. Now this 4 is being distributed or multiplied to each number inside the parentheses. So I'm going to put my arrows here. Alrighty, so what we have, I'll make this a little bigger. You can also use these numbers if you'd like to. I'm going to type it so it's a little more neat. Alright, so the first thing that we did was 4 times this 8. That first number in there was 4 times 8. So I'm going to put in parentheses 4 times 8. Alright, so now I have 4 times 8. Then what symbol do we have here? We have an addition symbol. Addition! So we are going to keep that addition symbol. We're going to keep that plus. And then we have, there we go. And then we had our 4 times 9. So I'm going to put that in parentheses, 4 times 9. So that's one way, actually. That's one way. Now let's do another way. Another way, if we keep going down. Look, what's 4 times 8? I know 4 times 8 is 40, 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 would be 40. 4 times 8 is 32. Keep this plus. And then I know 4 times 9 is going to be 36. 32 plus 36. Now, if we were to solve this 32 plus 36, then that would be the answer. That would not be an expression because an expression has to have at least one math operation. So multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. So here's the addition. So this is one way. I'm going to actually highlight that. And here's another way. So those are both ways that we can rewrite this problem using our distributive property. These are two ways that we can do that. Great job.